Was ist denn das für eine geile Elko-Reparatur hier? Ey, das hätte ich vor 10 Jahren verbrochen wahrscheinlich, oder 15. I have here this this Winfast nForce 2 motherboard, which after a while starts periodically resetting itself. Not quite yet. There you go. And I noticed that this regulator here gets really hot. It's an APL 1084. Ow, wow, wow. And if I scope the output of it, see, whenever it resets, it dips. So I'm thinking this regulator is going into thermal shutdown. And I'm not sure if that's because there's excessive load on it, or because the regulator is toast. You can see there's discoloration on the PCB around it. Yeah, that regulator is going into thermal shutdown. I have here this high-tech contraption with a small heatsink. If I press with this finger now onto this regulator, it stops resetting. If I take my finger off, that's funny. Got a replacement installed here. Look at that. It looks like crap though, because the solder mask was so damaged from the heat that it just came off, crumbled off instantly. But yeah, it works. The board's fine. It doesn't go into thermal shutdown. It does get pretty hot, but it doesn't get thermal shutdown hot. Like, this thing is supposed to shut down at, I don't know, 150 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees. It's definitely not that hot. I can't keep my finger on it, but it's not that hot. But the board works again. Now I just have to fix this one remaining bricklayer style recap job, and then we'll be done with this board. Yeah, nice addition. This is actually a fairly decent, despite being a Winfast board, a fairly decent sort of nForce 2 motherboard. So yeah, that'll be a fun addition. The board was of course tested for prolonged stability and it's absolutely fine. Maybe to feel better I'll install a heatsink on that regulator, just to be extra sure. Anyway, the board's been added to the retro web, including manual, BIOS, pictures and everything else. Catch you later.